sa pangunguna ni Governor Ramon V. Gico III at Vice Governor Mark Ronald Lambino, mainit na tinanggap ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Pangasinan ang delegasyon ng Yona Guam na pinamumunuan ni Mayor Brian Terlaje. Ito ay bahagi ng Cultural Exchange Program na layong palakasin ang ugnayan ng dalawang komunidad sa larangan ng sining, kultura at pamamahala.
From the moment we arrived, we have felt the genuine spirit of friendship that binds our communities together. A spirit that promises a future filled with collaboration, growth, and shared success.
Isa sa tampok na programa ay ang pagtatanghal ng Guam-based dance troupe na Gumarasan at Chocolate, kung saan buong pagmamalaking ipinamalas nila ang tradisyonal na Chamorro dance. Ang sayaw na ito ay sumasalamin sa kasaysayan at pagkakakilanlan ng mga Chamorro. Hindi naman nagpahuli ang Pangasinan Capital Dance Group sa pagpapakita ng mayamang kultura ng lalawigan. Masigla at makulay nilang itinanghal ang pasintabi at pasiwas dance na parehong sumasalamin sa mayamang tradisyon ng Pangasinan. Sa kanyang talumpati, binigyang diin ni Vice Governor Mark Lambino ang kahalagahan ng ganitong palitan ng kultura.
Province of Pangasinan, home to several indigenous groups as well, especially both in the eastern and western side of the province, is very rich in this heritage and this culture. And we are very glad to have someone of your esteem, your caliber, to visit us here in the province.
Bilang sagisag ng pagkakaibigan, isang aklat tungkol sa kasaysayan ng Pangasinan ang inihandog ni Governor Gico kay Mayor Terlaje.
I'd like to strengthen this friendship through probably Vice Governor a signing of an MOU or a sisterhood agreement. I don't know if province and municipality is possible, but we could also partner with some other municipalities within the province to join in this sisterhood arrangement.
Bago ang opisyal na programa, ipinasilip muna sa delegasyon ng Yona Guam ang Capitol Building ng Pangasinan. Namangha si Mayor Terlaje sa nakita niyang estruktura at inihalin tulad pa ito sa mga gusali sa Estados Unidos.
Oh my goodness, I was overwhelmed. I felt like I was at the United States of America, because you don't see these Capitol buildings like this in our area, right? But just the overall architecture, I was telling Ma'am Malu that it reminds me of the Iolani Palace in Hawaii, where King Kamehameha lived. So it's the architecture is beautiful, it's wonderful, and I'm just very grateful that the people of Pangasinan were able to preserve the integrity and the beauty of that structure, and not only previous years but also for future years to come.
Ang isinagawang Cultural Exchange Program ay simula ng mas malalim na pagkakaibigan sa pagitan ng Yona Guam at Pangasinan. Hatid din ito ang panibagong kabanata ng ugnayan na magbubukas ng mas marami pang oportunidad para sa dalawang komunidad. Valerie Dismaya, RNG News.